Hello and welcome to another video. So as we do already know, there are issued currencies on the XRP Ledger. And if you want to know how much liquidity is in there, we can for example see the XRP US dollar trading pair issued by Bitstamp has liquidity of over, wait a second, I have to load it again. You can see here that the volume is 6.1 million XRP here, for example, with the XRP US dollar trading pair. You can see the same thing here with, for example, also the XRP Casino Coin trading pair is 200,000 XRP on a daily basis. Again with XRP US dollar by GateHub. So we have multiple issuers, so we'll look into that again. So if you want to use, so you can see already here I've got multiple assets. If for example I've got my NFT here, which I created in another video which I showed you. But I also have, for example, €1 here, issued by GateHub. And if I want new assets, I can just go to the XRP toolkit and click on Add Asset. And right there, I am able to add any assets. So we can see here we've got US dollars issued one time by Bitstamp and by GateHub. I registered on both exchanges because obviously I'm testing lots of things here. But again, we've got Bitstamp and GateHub. We've got also a euro issued, but I can add it because I already have it here. And a euro issued by GateHub. We've got, now these are the main currencies which are currently issued, but with more to come. So I guess GateHub would be issuing more and more other currencies if the liquidity is there. And currently, so I also showed you how you can interact with issued currencies. So as you know, there is a decentralized exchange included or natively supported in the XRP Ledger. You can interact with it just if you go to trade here in the XRP toolkit, but also using the XAM app. So when you add an asset on XAM, you can also just click on trade or exchange, and then also enter the amounts. It's also directly interacting with the XRP Ledger there. Alright, so right, let's quickly look at it. As you can see here that the trading volume is about 4 million US dollars on the XRP Ledger, which is pretty cool. So here you can see with exchanges, so this is the entire trading volume, but you can also see it just from on the XRP Ledger. You can see here the most happens with the XRP US dollar trading pair. So I for example, so some people are buying Casino Coin. I would be sometimes maybe trading euro to XRP to euro issued by GateHub. So I'm sometimes attributing to the small pair there, but the largest part is XRP US dollar issued by Bitstamp. So Bitstamp seems to have the biggest share of the daily trading volume. All right, so you can check out here all the graphs here. Right, so we can also I probably also introduced the website XRP charts, so you can see here just lots of information about the decentralized exchange, also about the network, other metrics we want to see here. But let's go back. So we're still at issued currencies. So we do know anybody can issue a currency. Also I could do that. So usually entities do that in order to issue their own obligations, and people can freely then move around basically the issued currency. And yeah, that's how all of that works here. Alright, so that was it for this short video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.